Good day and welcome to this training video that will show you how to connect Python to OpenAI system which runs ChatGPT. Okay, this is part of the task that you're doing, and most of you have seen the actual Python code, but you're having trouble connecting it to the OpenAI. And the OpenAI, in order to utilize the OpenAI powers of the generative AI, like ChatGPT, you need an API key. And an API, we said before, is application program interface. Now the API key looks like this. In here, over there you saw it, I'm gonna show you how to actually acquire a key. Now if you notice here in this function call to actually start OpenAI, I have placed API key goes here as my API key. It's not gonna work. This is an error, and I'll show you what Python reports as the error. So this is my, I'm supposed to be talking to my bot now. So here it says you, I'm gonna say, how are you? You can write anything, to be honest. That's the message that's coming from the user. Now, you notice there is an error. Now, if I look down, I will find down here, it says error code 401, and that error is saying incorrect API key. I know this because this is not an API key. But it also says you can find your API key at, and it gives me a link. So if I go there, I should be able to get an API key. Now, I'm going to do control click here, or you can copy paste this into your browser. Once I do this, it will take me to the OpenAI platform. Now, I had already acquired one key before. I can't see what it is, so I'm just going to delete it. Guess what? They don't charge you for deleting and adding. They haven't charged me. I haven't paid a penny for this account. And then I'm going to create a new secret key. Okay, I'm going to call it grade 9 test. Or I'm going to say Python test for that matter. Python test, because I'm testing it with Python. I'm going to say create key. This is the key. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to click done. I will go back to Visual Studio Code, and wherever I had said API key goes here, I'm going to delete these and paste whatever key I've gotten. Ensure you don't put any extra spaces. You don't put anything extra. It needs to be as is. Okay, now it should work. In order for me to show you that properly, I'm just going to clear my screen in the output so you can actually see it. If I click run, the same thing is going to happen, but now it's actually going to send my message to ChatGPT or to OpenAI, which will use ChatGPT. That's in this case GPT 3.5 Turbo, and I'm going to say how are you, and it's going to think about it a bit, and then it will display a message from ChatGPT. It says I'm just a computer, so I don't have feelings. The message you're aware of. I could say what is the capital of Egypt, for example, and it's going to give me that. Capital of Egypt is Cairo. I could say list top 5 coding languages, just so I don't have these answers hidden into this code somewhere. That's it. Now I'm interacting with ChatGPT or with OpenAI and ChatGPT, specifically 3.5 Turbo. There are many other ones up to ChatGPT 4 or 5. There are many there. If you need more, you want to explore this further, look at that model and see which one you can use for free, and then explore it. That is my that is the task that I had given you. There is still Chatterbot and Gemini. Now, if I do quit, I need to do quit at the bottom here where it's you, that is the user. Quit or exit or what have you, then the program will exit. And these are, like I said before, these are the words or the keywords that will allow this program to terminate. Okay. All the best of you. If you have any questions, please drop me an email, and I will try to get on and help you as soon as I possibly can.